You don't know. Bad man. Yeah, yeah.
Woke up, the price of coke up. I just hit them with the low.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to simply draw your eyebrows. Okay, so here I'm using my spoolie to brush up the hairs on my eyebrows, and afterwards I'm going to be using my eye pencil, which is Davis eye pencil in number 3, to draw my eyebrows. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to be lining my eyebrow before I'll fill it in. All right, so I've gone ahead to line the other one. Then after lining it, before I'll line the one on top, I use my spoolie to brush down my hair. This will enable me to get the exact shape of my eyebrow. So when you want to start drawing the upper line, do not start from the beginning where you started the one down. Okay, you move your hand inwards a bit and you start drawing your lines. Okay, so this will enable you to have that seamless and natural look when you're done drawing your eyebrows. Okay, so when you get to where your arch is, you slope your hand downwards. All right, when you slope your hand downwards, it will enable you to have that sharp end at the end of your brows. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Genevieve Ezinwa. You're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your love and your support, and welcome back. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit on the red subscribe button to get subscribed and join the family. Support me, okay? Support this channel. Alright? Thank you for subscribing. Okay guys, so once you're done drawing the first one, you move on to draw the second line. Then afterwards, you go on to fill in your eyebrow. So once you do it this way, when you outline your eyebrow first before filling them in, it will help you to have that same shape of eyebrow, like that 20 and that sisterly eyebrows, and not when you're done drawing your eyebrows, one is high and the other one is low. Okay. Okay guys, so here I'm done drawing my eyebrow. You can see how it's looking. So I'm going on to fill in the eyebrows. So I'm using my eye pencil to fill in any space that I want, just fill the in. If you have a full hair, you just need to, like fill in any spaces in between your hair. Like if you want your eyebrows to be thick, you fill it with a heavy hand, but if you want it to be light, you fill it with a light hand. Okay, so but me, I don't want mine to be heavy and I don't want it to be light. Okay, so I'm just somewhere in between, you know what I'm saying? All right, so once you get to the front, okay, towards the front side, because we want to have this seamless and this natural look in the front and not having that block shape in the front. Okay, so you fill in your eyebrows in stroke like modes. All right, then afterwards you use your spoolie to brush off the excess product, like to make it to be smooth. All right, then also in the front side, use your spoolie to make it look natural. Then afterwards, I'm using Elegant Pro Concealer in shade Fawn with an angle brush to clean up my eyebrow.
Love all your ways, love all your flaws, love all your moments when you don't know who you are. Love when you're lost, trying to follow stars. Love with all you got, even on days when loving you is hard, yeah. Love you with all your scars and your heartache. Love you in all those times that you lost your mind. Love you on those I don't know where to start days. Even though on days like that it's always hard to find. Hey, love you when you're so. Don't ever forget to love you when they don't. Oh, yeah, baby, you should know. Never let that love for you go. Cause it's dangerous to let somebody love you more than you love yourself. More than you love. So don't you let nobody love you more than you love yourself. When you go through changes, hope you love you the same way. Love yesterday, every day. Love yourself always, yeah. Cause everyone's changing.
Alright guys, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Always remember to stay safe and be blessed. Bye.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. Body baby, oh. His body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah.